What's up, gang? Tyson from Avarice here. Today we're just going to be getting this car prepped for the drift event that is tomorrow. Things on the agenda today is getting it cleaned up, getting the inside all emptied out with all the extra junk I have in there right now. I'm going to be lifting it up, putting some friction modifier in the rear diff. The last event has started to slip a little bit, the factory VLSD, so this is my attempt to try and mediate that. Got the side skirts off, about to get this thing up in the air and the friction modifier in. Alrighty, car is in the air, the friction modifier is about to go in. Some of you may know I just work at a Ford dealership, so I just took some shit for my work. So just the shit we put in with any LSD fluid change, and I've changed the fluid on this LSD a couple times and never put any friction modifier in, so let's see if this will do anything. I just noticed it at the last event. On one of the last hairpins, it would start to open up and I would have to clutch kick it and get it to lock back up. Alrighty, car is back on the ground. XL3 friction modifier is in the diff. Time to put the side skirts back on, clean out the inside, and then go take this thing for a wash. Back from the car wash, dry erase markers. These white SFPAero fenders are like dry erase boards, so we just doodled it a little bit. This guy drew some little Kirby on the fender, some stars. You know me, I wanted to recreate the RC car a little bit. I drew a section of the Dixie Cup, because maybe this car will be full Dixie Cup one day.